My subject is English. Students, today we are going to learn our unit number 4, Big Data, Big Insights. First thing, you are going to solve icebreakers. First question is, give business suggestion to the respective industry or company for the following situation. A. Many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. Our business suggestion is increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. B. Many students are opting for UPSC or MPSC exams. Our business suggestion is publish more books which are useful for UPSC or MPSC exams. See, many people go for morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. Our business suggestion is increase number of stalls of healthy breakfast. D. Many people buy clothes from Miracle.com on online shopping site. Our business suggestion is provide good quality products and give more offers to increase the sale. E. The viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Our business suggestion is organize birth watching shows related to welfare of the society and show advertisement of products to attract the customers. Students, people get information from various sources. See, first Instagram, television, newspaper, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google, radio, Twitter, Facebook. All these are the sources of information. Now we are going to see what is big data. There is a revolution in the lifestyle of people which has been affected by big data. Everything has changed equal to 1000 million or exabytes. What is meant by exabytes? Exabyte means units of information equal to 1 quintillion of data consisting of so many people from different sources. For example, web, sales, customer contact center, social media, mobile data, and so on. Big data is a term used to refer to data sets that are too large or complex for traditional data processing application software to adequately deal with. The term big data has been in use since 1990s. John Nash popularized the term. Now you are going to see some definitions of big data. First definition is big data analytics is the complex process of examining large and varied data sets or big data to uncover information such as hidden patterns, unknown correlation, market trends, and customer preferences. Second definition is big data is a field that treats ways to analyze, systematically extract information from or otherwise deal with data sets that are too large or complex to be dealt with by traditional data processing application software. Third definition of big data is by Gartner. See, big data is data that contains greater variety arriving in increasing volumes and with ever higher velocity. Students, there are 5 P's of big data. See this diagram. First is volume. Volume means data size. Second is velocity, means speed of change. Third, variety means different forms of data sources. Fourth is veracity, means uncertainty of data. And last one is value, means business value. Keep in mind, 5 P's of big data are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Now you are going to see uses of big data. First use of big data is location tracking. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. It is useful in GPS and Google Maps. You can see these pictures. It is useful to get the real-time data about traffic, to know congestion on a particular route. It gives information about closed route or a one-way route. big data is understanding weather patterns. Big data helps to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. Weather patterns give warnings, impending natural calamities like floods, tsunami, earthquakes, etc. Impending means about to happen and calamities means great and often sudden damages. It helps to study global warming and predict availability of natural resources like water. Third use of big data is healthcare industry. The smartwatches, other wearable health apps in our phone keep on collecting data and detect our heart rate, monitor the patient's sleep pattern, keep a record of his exercise, the distance walked, etc. See, some pictures are here. It helps to monitor blood sugar, blood pressure, etc. at home. It is useful for doctors for better diagnosis of any disease and effect of any drug. It helps the doctors to maintain the past records of the patients and better analysis of the healthcare can be obtained. It helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. Students, all of you know that now we are facing very serious problem of COVID-19 and so Government of India has launched Arogya Setu app. Do you know what is the use of this Arogya Setu app? You will be alerted if someone who have come in close proximity or even unknowingly test COVID-19 positive. The app alerts you. The app alerts are accompanied by instructions on how to self-isolate and what to do in case you develop symptoms that may need help and support. Fourth use of big data is banking, finance and trading. Big data helps to study the investment patterns of the people. It enables the banks and finance companies to come with suitable plans. It enables smooth functioning of agencies and institutions. It helps to predict and prevent cyber crimes, card fraud detection, archival of audit trails. It helps to predict future attempts of brute force attacks by analyzing the past data of their customers. Big data not only helps in predicting cyber crimes, but it also helps in handling issues related to wrong transactions and failure in net banking. It helps to predict possible spikes on servers so that banks can manage transactions accordingly. It helps to monitor financial markets for possible illegal trade and suspicious activities. It helps to identify possible frauds in the financial markets. Big data is useful in sports, in cricket. It helps player to understand his game from close quarters. It helps player to understand the field conditions, the weather, individual performance, etc. Video analytics help players to see each and every performance minutely. See how big data is useful in your game cricket. Sixth use of big data is advertising. It helps Facebook, Google, Twitter or any other online giant to run their targeted campaigns. Big data is useful for advertising, search history, likes, follows on social media and other online browsing patterns shed much light on needs and behavior. Businesses these days use consumers' digital footprints to design a tailor-made marketing campaign for every single consumer. Next use is entertainment and media. It focuses on targeting people with the right content at the right time. It helps to show different recommendations based on your past views and your behavior online. This technique is popularly used by Netflix and YouTube to increase engagement and drive more revenues. It helps television broadcasters to collect their viewers' database and show different advertisements and shows. It helps to collect more revenue from ads. Next use is education industry. Big data is very useful in education industry. It helps to prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to the need of an individual student. It helps to design the course material according to different requirements of the students. It helps students to understand their choices, their difficulties, information regarding various courses and their specialty. It helps to see the progress of the students, understand its strength and weaknesses. See, strength and weaknesses of the students. It helps to guide the student regarding the best career for him based on his mental makeup and abilities. It helps in improving the operational effectiveness and working of educational institutes. It provides a solution to one of the biggest pitfalls in the educational industry. One size fits all. One size fits all. Thank you all.